Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will talk about some background services that you can disable to boost Windows performance and make your system faster and more responsive. This will reduce CPU usage, lower RAM consumption, decrease background processes, and make your system more responsive. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, click on Windows Search. Type Services and click on it. Now the Services window will open. This is where all background services are listed and controlled. Now the very first service that I recommend is BitLocker Drive Encryption. Press the B key and you will find BitLocker Drive Encryption service. Now this is an optional feature. If you are using BitLocker, then you should keep it enabled. But if you are not using it, which is true for most users, then you can disable it. BitLocker is used to encrypt your drive with a password. But if you forget that password or recovery key, you may lose access to your data permanently. So if you are not using it, double-click on it. Change the startup type to disabled. Now click on Apply and OK. Next, we have telemetry services. These services collect data about your usage and system activity. Microsoft says it is anonymous, but it still collects information like app usage and browsing behavior. So first, minimize services. Right-click on Windows icon and click on Settings. From the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Then click on Diagnostic and Feedback. Here you will see diagnostic data. Now disable Send optional diagnostic data. Also disable Improve inking and typing. Then disable Tailored experiences. This will stop Windows from collecting unnecessary data. Now close Settings. Now again go back to Services. Press the C key and find Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Double-click on it. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Click Stop, then Apply and OK. Now also find Device Management Wireless Application Protocol. Double-click on it and disable it as well. This ensures telemetry is fully stopped. Now next is Program Compatibility Assistance Service. This service constantly checks apps for compatibility issues. If you keep your apps updated manually, you don't need this running in the background. Press the P key and find Program Compatibility Assistance Service. Double-click on it. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Stop it, then Apply and OK. Next is Windows Error Reporting Service. This service sends crash reports to Microsoft. But most users don't need this, and disabling it can improve performance slightly. Press W and find Windows Error Reporting Service. Double-click on it. Disable it, stop it, then Apply and OK. Next is Windows Search. Windows Search indexing can use a lot of RAM and CPU in the background. If you have a low-end PC or facing lag, disabling it can help. Find Windows Search. Double-click on it. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Stop it, Apply and OK. Next is Windows Biometric Service. If you don't use fingerprint or face unlock, you don't need this service. Find Windows Biometric Service. Double-click on it. Disable it, stop it, Apply and OK. Next is Diagnostic Policy Service. This service tries to detect and fix issues automatically. But in most cases, it is not very effective and runs continuously in the background. Press D and find Diagnostic Policy Service. Double-click on it. Disable it, stop it, Apply and OK. Next is Geolocation Service. This tracks your location, mainly useful for laptops. If you are on a desktop or don't need location tracking, you can disable it. Press G and find Geolocation Service. Double-click on it. Disable it, stop it, Apply and OK. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.